Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Toshiba air fryer toaster oven combination. 13-1 countertop convection oven. It's a large 26.4 quart, and you can use it to roast, to quickly cook things, and use less oil. So it'll do baking, toasting, roasting, it'll do pizza, cookies, broiling, bagels, toast, warming things up. It actually has a proofing function on there so that you could rise dough and things like that. It has a slow cook, it has Dehydrate for like jerking and so forth. Generally when you have air fryers you could use less oil because it uses circulating hot air and it could brown things without using a large amount of oil. Now this is unique because it has 6 heating elements in there. I'm going to show an inside view of that, and 1750 watts is the most powerful one I've ever tested. You could fit 6 slices of bread, a 12-inch pizza, or 4-pound chicken. It has a really nice bright LCD display. This titanium gray color doesn't show fingerprints. I really like that as opposed to stainless steel. And the product dimensions are 16.7 by 16 by 13, and that's pretty decent size, but it's also nice and small. Comes with an instruction manual that tells you how to use it. And the interior is an easy clean interior. It's actually non-stick, and this display also is a high contrast display that allows you to see more clearly. And if you need glasses, forget that. So here's the accessories it comes with. It has this rack which goes right in to the different one of three layers. Then it has this nice fry basket which you can put inside there to fry things. We're going to be testing that. Then it has this tray right here, and you can make cookies, desserts, and you could also bake a pizza in there. We're going to be testing that out. Grounded plug, you want to make sure that you have a grounded plug on there. Don't use extension cords. It's purposely a short length of about 3.5 feet. It has these pegs so that you don't go too close to a back wall on the counter. There's the back of the unit, and if you notice right there, it has an UL listing, and that number means it was tested to be totally safe for use in your kitchen. There is a crumb tray that you can easily remove. You can see I've got crumbs in there because I've been testing the unit, and the bottom has coils right there that's going to send the heat on the bottom directly and also have heat rising. You see the sides right there, you can see the racks. There's a thermal sensor right there, and you go over there, you can see another series of coils on the top. Then you notice that there's the fan right there. That's the fan that's circulating that hot air. Let's go over the basic operation of this unit. The display is really nice to see. You notice this blinking air fryer. If you rotate this knob, you get all the different presets. So you have toast, 4 slice, light or dark, you can control the range there. You have bake, default 350, 25 minutes, you can change the time and the temperature. Broil, 350, 10 minutes. Roast, 350 degrees, 10 minutes. Pizza, 9-inch or 12-inch or 6-inch. This button right here shuts the unit off and clears out the display. You also have a light control right here, turning the light on and off. And then you have a fan option if it's available for the type of cooking you're doing. You can turn the fan on and off. And on, of course, you can see you can set the temperature on any of these things. So there's the air fryer, and it starts once you hit the pause again. And now what it's doing, in most of these, it has a preheat. And it's going to preheat before you put the food in. And then that preheat's going to complete, stop blinking, and then you open up and put your food in. Now the advantage of a preheat is that it's going to heat up everything inside there so that you get more accurate cooking. It may take a little longer, but the benefit is you're going to get much more accurate cooking. So there's the bagel setting, and you have a reheat function. You just want to reheat something up. And then you have warm, which is nice for just keeping something warm. And then you have this really low temperature, 100 degrees, 50 minutes, and that's for proofing to raise doughs. So here I'm going to toast a homemade bialy. It's like a bagel. My wife makes these. And see how it does to toast this. So I'm going to go through the menu right here. I'm going to rotate this. Here's the bagel right there. And 6 slice, we're going to put it to 2 slice. You notice that the fan comes on automatically for doing a bagel. So there, it toasted it. And you can see it's nice and brown. It's got a real nice crunch to it. Absolutely delicious. Now you can put cream cheese or butter on it. So here I'm going to use the included basket, and I'm going to be trying some frozen French fries and some frozen chicken nuggets. So we're going to be using the air fry, and we're going to be using one of the presets. We're going to be using A3 chicken nuggets. And you want to preheat the oven first with nothing in there. So we're going to hit this button right there. We're going to go to A3. We're going to hit start or play. And you see the preheat blinking. And it's 400 degrees. We could have lowered the temperature, but the default temperature is 400 degrees. And the default time is about 18 minutes. We could have altered those, but we're going to let that alone because that's what A3 is all about, a preset. So it beeped a couple times and it's no longer blinking. So now it's time to put the food in. Let's hit the play button. And now you see the time starts counting down, and it's at 400 degrees, and it's going to go for about 16 minutes or more. And it also shows you that you're in the air fry mode. You could turn the light on and off right here if you want. You can't turn this on and off because the air fry mode doesn't use the circulating fan. So it's coming to the end. You can see the timer right there. And again, this is just a guess because you could decrease the timer or increase it. It looks like it's all browned and finished. Let's take a look right here. So you can see that really quickly cooked that, and they're all browned, crispy, and perfect. The chicken is brown and crispy, and it looks absolutely delicious. So you can see it cooked the outside perfectly, and it's crunchy, just as you'd want your chicken nuggets to be. And the French fries are all crispy and perfectly cooked. So here I have some corn on the cob that was boiled a couple days ago, and toaster ovens like this that have the reheat function are excellent to reheat them and cook them. So we're going to give that a try now. Okay, so you're going to rotate this button right here, knob, to the right, and you'll see you got all those different menus. And here you see reheat right there. You can turn the fan on and off if you want. Right there, see the fan symbol. We're going to put the fan on. The default temperature is 350 degrees. We're going to hit the start button right there. Now it comes on and it starts counting down from 3 minutes. You notice that there's no preheat in this mode, because it's a lower energy usage, so that it's just reheating the corn in this case. So that ended pretty quickly. Now it's kind of warmed up. Let's say I want to make it so that it has some crunchiness or brownness on the outside. So let's go to the menu right here. So we could, let's look at these presets again. There's toast, bake, broil. Let's put it on broil, 350 degrees. And let's just see if we can get a little bit of a browning on the corn. Now when you're broiling, you do have the option of having the fan on and off. I like to have the fan on because I think it circulates the heated air. Again, there's a lot of coils in here, so it has very even heat, but the fan even helps that. Okay, so it's finishing up. You can see the timer counting down. And there it's ended. Let's take a look at it. So there's the corn right there with a little butter on it. I could have cooked it longer if I wanted to really brown it, but this is perfect because it's all heated evenly and it's going to be absolutely delicious. So here we're going to make a homemade pizza. This is homemade dough and sauce, but you could use frozen pizza dough that you can get in the store. And we're going to use the pan that is included with this toaster oven, and we're going to use a preset which is for pizza. Okay, start button, we're going to rotate it 5 times. And you see pizza shows up with a little fan. And press this now and we can change the size. Now this is a big pizza, we're going to put 12 inches in there. Now what it's doing, it's preheating the machine for the pizza. Okay, so it was pretty quick. It preheated, it beeped, and it's not blinking anymore. Now we can open this up. Put it on the middle shelf right there. Close the unit. Hit the button right there. And now it's starting the cooking function. So now we can hit this button right here and we can adjust the temperature up. We're going to put it to 400. We're going to leave the cooking time alone and we're going to just watch it and monitor it. So it completed its timing cycle and you can see it cooked the pizza really beautiful. We got a nice crust on there. And there you have it, the beautiful, delicious pizza using the TOSHIBA toaster oven. And TOSHIBA does offer a 1-year warranty on this product. Now there's a lot of different types of things you can cook in there. The manual does show everything, how to use the product. The video would be over 2 hours long if I showed all these different methods, but it's nicely written and has a lot of features. So what do I think about the TOSHIBA air fryer toaster oven combo? 13-in-1 countertop convection oven, 26.4 quart large capacity. This thing works really nice, has a lot of features, and as I demonstrated, I was able to cook several of my favorite things to cook, and it did a really nice job cooking them. It also looks really stylish on your counter, doesn't take up a lot of space either. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section. Please use those links if you order this product to help support this channel. I hope the information I presented here helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.